that breaking news now that we're following out of the U.S. Supreme Court today.
Yeah, the justices ruled 6-3 for gun rights advocates and struck down as too strict a laws. Leslie Jacobs, now law professor at McGeorge, joins us to explain what this ruling all means.
Well, first of all, the ruling is not unexpected. The court heard this case having to do with whether to expand the gun right that it found to be in the Second Amendment 20 years ago. And so it nevertheless is a very significant decision because it goes even farther than people may have expected. That is, number one, I should mention Justice Thomas issued the opinion. It's his birthday, and he's been writing opinions for a long time saying that the court should take cases and expand the gun right. What this does is expands the gun right that used to exist just within the home for self-defense to a right to carry a gun outside the home.
So I get whenever one of these decisions comes out, you wonder what is going to be the ripple effect. So what does this open the door to that states like California now are maybe going to be on a higher alert for?
Well, exactly. That is, a number of states, including California, had laws like New York's law, which you would call a may issue, meaning when someone applies for a license to carry a gun outside the home, the rule was that the person had to show a reasonable cause to do it. And then a sheriff would make a decision about that. Do you have a reason that you need to carry this outside the home? What the court says is states can't demand reasons. It moves from a may issue to a shall issue when people apply to carry guns outside the home. So that will change California laws.
Well, I was just about to follow up with that. So does that mean that California's law will basically no longer apply?
It means that California can't apply the stricter rule, which is that reasonable cause is required. It means that California will have to have rules that say that if you apply, you can get the gun simply by meeting various application criteria.
All right. Well, Leslie, thank you very much for joining us today. We appreciate the insight and just the latest. Of course, we're waiting on a couple of other big court opinions to come out. Do you know, just off the top of your head, obviously the abortion one is one of the ones that we're constantly watching to see if that has been released. Are there any other big ones we should be watching for?
Oh, well, there's a big decision coming out about the ability of the federal government, meaning agencies in particular, to make rules that restrict businesses for the purpose of mitigating climate change. And so we expect the court will say that these agencies can't do that, and that will limit the ability of the federal government to make rules about climate change. We've also got another religious liberty case coming out about a high school coach who wants to pray on the 50-yard line after games. And yes, you say the abortion case we're waiting on as well. Yeah. We'll get decisions tomorrow, but I have a hunch that the court will extend the opinions and issue some decisions next week.
Okay, well, I have a hunch we'll be calling you as soon as those come out. So thank you very much for your time today.